Hey, what's going on, guys? Evan here today with GMP Performance. In today's Tech Talk, we're going to be doing a quick overview for the Audi 3.0T platform. This is a Stage 2 Plus build that we typically use on most 3-liter cars such as the B8, B8.5 Audi S4, S5, or C7 Audi A6 or A7. This is a fantastic package consisting of ECU software, TCU software, dual pulley kit, heat exchanger, as well as the ultracharger throttle body upgrade. So as many of you guys already know, the Audi 3.0T platform has proven to be very strong and reliable throughout the years. The best way you can make the most out of these cars is you really want to address cooling. As some of you already know, the 3.0T being a supercharged application, these superchargers, especially with the dual pulleys, tend to produce a lot of heat. The best way to maximize gains is to address cooling and use a proper aftermarket heat exchanger to help keep these temperatures down so you're not going to lose power. For this particular build, we have, of course, the APR Ultracharger, we've got the dual pulley kit, and we've got the JH Motorsports heat exchanger. Altogether, this is going to be a perfect Stage 2 Plus upgrade for the 3.0T. For more information, if you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, info@gmpperformance.com.